People often think you need some massive $10,000 proprietary system to run AI trading bots. Well, today we're busting that myth wide open. We're going to build a completely automated crypto sentiment trading bot using Claude 3.5 Sonnet. We're talking live code, live API connections, and real-time P&L. So, the big question, can an AI actually read market news and execute profitable trades all on its own? Let's find out. Today, we're dissecting the exact combination of a Python script and AI so you can see firsthand how news sentiment gets turned directly into profits. But first, we need to be really clear about what this setup cannot do. Section 1. Architecture. LLM versus HFT. Let's start with a quick technical reality check. High-frequency trading, or HFT, relies entirely on microsecond execution speeds. Our bot? Yeah, it's definitely not doing that. Our system is built entirely on sentiment trading. Its main job is to apply logic, evaluate market momentum, and digest real-time news. Basically, this bot reads the mood of the room. It doesn't run a sprint. And here's why. LLM APIs inherently have a latency of about 1 to 2 seconds. You see, LLMs have this prefill phase that dictates the time to first token, or TTFT, followed by autoregressive generation. Now, in the HFT world, a 2-second delay means you've already lost. But for strategic, news-based momentum trades, honestly, 1 to 2 seconds is absolutely perfect. Section 2. Live coding and prompt setup. The architecture here is surprisingly simple. Think of this stack in 3 distinct parts: the eyes, the brain, and the hands. For the eyes, we're using the Crypto News API to fetch our raw data and sentiment. The brain is Claude 3.5 Sonnet, which thinks about and analyzes the momentum. And finally, the hands, that's our Exchange API, which actually goes out and executes the trades. Setting up the bot's eyes and hands is absolutely crucial. We're using the Python Binance library here. And guys, to keep API keys secure, always use a .env file. Literally never hardcode your secrets. Oh, and most importantly, we set testnet equal to true. We are safely starting things off with paper trading. No real money on the line just yet. All right, let's talk about the brain. If you've ever built AI apps, you know getting strict JSON out of an AI can be a massive headache. But thanks to Claude's recent updates and something called constrained decoding, this problem is totally solved. It essentially compiles your JSON schema and forces the AI to output in the exact perfect format. 0 markdown formatting errors. It's a total game changer. So we feed Claude a very strict JSON output structure. We're basically just asking for 3 things: an interpretation, which has to be bullish, bearish, or neutral, a confidence level, low, medium, or high, and finally, its rationale. Because the decoding is strictly constrained, the bot will give us this exact systematic output every single time, which we can then map directly into our trading logic. Section 3. Paper trading and risk. This quote from the Robot Traders channel perfectly captures the reality here. Look, this is not some fully autonomous agent that just runs wild in an infinite loop. It's a trading assistant that operates on a scheduled cron job. When it wakes up, it gathers data, analyzes it, and spits out its JSON outlook. The execution frequency is still very much controlled by human strategy. Listen to me closely. Do not ever run a bot without a stop loss. We've hard-coded a 1.5% stop loss and a 3% take profit directly into the script. This is absolutely essential to minimize the risk of liquidation during sudden market volatility. Plus, the bot is programmed to only execute a trade if Claude's confidence level comes back as medium or high. Section 4. Final results and realities. All right, moment of truth. After a 30-trade test run, the final numbers are in. The bot achieved a 65% win rate, pulling in a total positive return of 4.2%. What does this actually mean? It means the AI successfully used its sentiment analysis and momentum reading to turn everyday news headlines into genuinely profitable trades. But I want to leave you with a bit of a reality check. Can AI catch market sentiment? Yes, absolutely. But can it predict sudden liquidity sweeps or random whale dumps? Not a chance. AI relies entirely on published data. It's an incredible tool for capturing momentum, but the need for solid, human-coded risk management isn't going anywhere. So, what other data sources would you plug into your bot? Think about it. Keep building.